about to dry the tank.
You're gonna what?
Dry it.
You're gonna dry the tank.
Dry it and dry it. You know how you dry the paint?
Now it's a fresh paint job, so we're gonna dry the paint in the dryer.
Dryer.
The dryer behind you. All right.
The dryer.
Well, John's a professional.
That's how the jackass guys told me to do it.
Flip that over. Is the top good? Is the top sealed good?
Not if you use
That's a lot of rust in that tank, huh? Alright, so we got about 2 handfuls or 3 handfuls of miscellaneous bolts and nuts. I'm gonna go ahead and dry the tank. And basically it'll give you this motion. And it'll do the work for you. And we'll come back after it's dried.
Alright.
Alright, after you wrap up your tank, stuff a lot of blankets in there.
You stick it in the dryer. Make sure you get a nice round center for the tank to fit in. Make sure you get your settings down here to fluff. We don't really want to heat it up. We just want to dry it. This is just for the inside of the tank, by the way. And we rock and roll with it.
30 minutes.
No, it does 20.
Alright. Go ahead and remove your dried tank. Everything stayed good. Go dump it out. Check this out.
Does it smell downy fresh? Alright, Mark, what we got coming out of this tank?
Just taking out the last little ones. Pretty much the end of them. There might be 1 and 2. Kind of use a little smaller screws than usual, but whatever. See what we got. 1 strike.
1.
That's it, man.
Something in there.
I think it's metal though.
There it is. What was that, an anchor?
It's not magnetic, is it?
No, it's this right here. This is what fell out, an anchor.
Okay.
That's an anchor.
So we're gonna go in and we'll rinse this out with gas, and an inline filter will take care of the rest. But this is what you got.
Crusty.
All this shit, dude. Alright, that's it, I guess.
Rolling.
Here's rinse 1 here.
That was 93 a minute ago.
93 octane right here. So that's rust water, dude. Get it out of your fuel system.
Highly flammable.
Latte.
Mochaccino.